Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome to the live stream. If you're new here, welcome. And as you can tell, I'm joined by my son. I don't know if you guys can see him. He's joining me because my wife's in the other room on a phone call. So, welcome. This is as good as it gets right here. Our faces look a little bit weird because we're on a webcam, but I'll try to go like that. That way, you guys can see him if you want. He does a video with me. We do a weekly food review, right? Yeah, so feel free to come on to the live stream, check it out. I give away half an ounce of silver every single weekend to the person who has the most K-Coin. And if you're wondering what the heck is K-Coin, got to come to the live stream to figure that out. So anyways, let's go ahead and get into the question that I wanted to answer today, which came from, I assume, a subscriber or a person just found my video across the interwebs. His name is Chrome Family. He asks/says, Stay fresh, yeah. He didn't ask that. He said, this video helped me. I could use more help because I'm set to moderate for my risk profile, but I've already invested $540 over the last 6 months, and I think I'm overdoing it with one of my best again because I have on a negative $14.58 return. I must be doing something wrong and not maximizing the potential. So I think that's a great question. First of all, Chrome Family. I was originally in the moderate portfolio also. My question for you would be, without knowing anything, it could potentially happen just with some bad investments that you would be negative. Technically, the stock market still hasn't recovered from the drop that happened in January. So if you're holding companies that have dropped significantly or ETFs that have dropped significantly, then that could be the issue, is that they just haven't rose yet or whatever. They're staying down for some reason. So that doesn't necessarily mean that it's a bad investment. For me, I think I'm only up 1.5% on almost like $1,400. So I'm basically up about $14, which is not really that good compared to last year where I did almost 10%. So we're all kind of getting hurt by it. I would just say, it sounds to me like either you're in a lot more risky investments, for instance, maybe single stocks, or maybe you're invested into bonds too heavily. I don't know exactly the setup that you would be taking. I would say stay the course. Whatever you're doing, seems like you're continuing to put money in there. I would say you find out what dollar cost averaging is and use dollar cost averaging to your advantage, and continue to focus on the long term. I mean, there's not really much I could offer as far as help because I don't know any holdings that you're in. My assumption would be that either they're really risky or that you put a whole lot of money in at the beginning and then let it sit and haven't used dollar cost averaging or anything like that, which explains why you're still down about 1.5, actually probably around like 3 or 4% on that account. So anyways, I'm going to go ahead and leave it right there. If you guys have any suggestions or comments, feel free to let me know in the live stream. And then also, if you could, on the video, put it down in the comments. Do you guys have any suggestions maybe that could help my man Chrome Family maybe boost or some returns going into the last half of 2018? It would be much appreciated. But like I always say, guys, until next time, thank you for watching. I really appreciate it.